You need for the safety?
You need first a helmet so you don't fall down and it doesn't hurt your head. So this is it's just on top. It just is like Olaf and Snowman on it's Frozen 1 like helmet it looked like, and I wear it on top, and there's a click that you put on like this. I don't see it. Then you poke it in, so then it makes a sound. Then
Okay, what about that?
Then you wear a mask
Why you need a mask?
because if somebody comes and people is close to you, it gets coronavirus. So you need to wear a mask.
Okay, cool.
Then the training wheels off.
Okay.
You know how to.
And you need to make sure your legs touch the floor?
Yeah, so you need to walk by floor and then how you balance. And when you get more balancing, like this,
Okay, you're gonna show how you balance it?
this is how you balance. And you have to keep your foot up. So then it goes by the right.
Okay.
And then when you know how to balance so much,
Mm-hmm.
you have to first put training wheels in, and when you take the whole round of this, then you just slip down.
You need a downhill for this?
Yes.
Okay.
Then you do this. So it looks like you are balancing like this. So it looks like you have pedals. This is how it looks, like this. So you know
And then you put a pedal back and then you can start pedaling?